Spices! So today we are going to be making a Thai recipe. I do not make Thai recipes all that much, as you guys know, but we just got back from going to a Thai food truck and my husband loves Thai food. So I'm going to make this for him, and I'm going to make chicken coconut curry. So let's go spice things up. In a pan I am adding some chopped onions and some chopped red pepper, and it is cooking in some coconut oil, and then some butternut squash as well. Next we are adding carrots. I like to cut my carrots like this for the dish, and then we are going to stir the ingredients. Next I'm adding ginger. You can go ahead and grate it or chop it, and I'm doing 1 teaspoon. Now 3 garlic cloves. You will want to mince them, and you want to crush some salt and pepper, stir that up. And next we're going to add red pepper flakes, about 1/4 teaspoon. And then we are going to go ahead and add some kale. This is kale from our garden. You want to chop them up, put it inside, stir them up again. And next we are going to add some curry paste. And now we are adding some coconut milk. You can add 1 to 2 cans of coconut milk depending on how creamy you like it. And then you can go ahead and stir all the ingredients together. And now we are adding 1 lime. You'll want to squeeze all the juice out of it. And stir, 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 of course. Now we're going to add 1 tablespoon of brown sugar and fish sauce. We're going to add a teaspoon of fish sauce. And now we're going to add sriracha, a teaspoon of sriracha as well. And now we are just going to add this packet of peanut butter. This is about 1.1 ounces of peanut butter. This is really what makes it. Go ahead and stir all those ingredients together. Now we're going to add some fresh cilantro, chop it up, add it to the mixture. Stir, stir, stir again. And now we are adding some chicken. This is about 2 cups of chicken. Now this is pre-cooked chicken. You can always go ahead and cook the chicken at the beginning and cook it all together. Now the only thing to add is some rice. So we like to top this over rice. And it's easy. We just use a rice cooker and voila. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you have any questions or any more requests for recipes, go ahead and comment below. Bye, and see you in the next video.